Test 2 review. Adding. Let me write that a little neater. Okay, we're adding, so we're going to add our like terms. Dollars plus dollars equals dollars. So 6x squareds plus 3x squareds, we have 9x squareds because it's the same thing. You don't suddenly have something different. Minus 3x plus minus 3x is minus 6x, and 8 minus 2. Number 2 is subtraction. We have subtract a whole parentheses. There's nothing in front of the first parentheses, so we don't do anything to those. There's subtract parentheses for the second one, so we're going to distribute a -1 times everything. Negative times positive, negative times positive. Okay, that minus 8 makes that negative, so this is a negative times a negative equals a positive. We're going to collect our like terms. 8 minus 4 would have 4x6. For the x4s, minus 8 minus 13 is minus 21. And for our numbers, 12 plus 8 is 20. Now multiplication. 6x to the 7 means 6 times a bunch of x's. 4x squared, 4 times x times x. 6 times 4 is 24. There's 7 here, plus 2 more makes 9. Okay, you add those exponents because you have 7 plus 2 more. Okay, 5 times 12 is 60, and we're going to add our exponents because we're multiplying. 5 times 8 is 40, and add the exponents. 6 plus 5 is 11. X 11. Number 5 is more multiplication. This time there's 2 things in the first parentheses. So we're going to first multiply that x times everything. X times x squared. X times 5x. X times -9. Now, the minus 5 means that's -5. -5 times x squared. -5 times 5x. And negative times negative equals positive. Okay, the 5x squared minus 5x squared just happens to cancel. -9 minus 25 is minus 34. Okay, adding the like terms. Number 6, we're multiplying. They both have 2, so that is FOIL. The F stands for first in each of them, X times X. The O stands for the outside, X times 5. The I stands for inside, 12 times X. The L stands for last, 12 times 5. These are like terms. Now we're adding, not multiplying. 5x's plus 12 more x's are 17x. Okay, this is also a FOIL problem. First, x times 7x. Outside, x times negative 10. Inside, 7x times 10. Last, 10 times negative 10. Like terms, 70x minus 10x is 60x. Okay, these are also 2 and 2, so that is FOIL. First, 8x times 4x. Outside, 8x times negative 5. Inside, negative 11 times 4x. Last is a negative 11 times negative 5. Minus 40 minus 44 is minus 84. Okay, this is also 2 things times 2 things, so it is a FOIL problem. X times x. Outside, x times minus 7. Inside, 7 times x. Last, 7 times negative 7. Okay, the like terms cancel because it's minus 7 plus 7, which equals 0. So we get x squared minus 49. X plus 6 squared with the square around the parentheses means write the whole thing 2 times and multiply. So this is a FOIL problem. X times x, x times 6, 6 times x, last 6 times 6, like terms. 6x plus 6x is 12x. Okay, 6x minus 5 squared. The square is around the parentheses, so we write the whole thing twice. So this is a FOIL problem because they both have 2 pieces. First, 6x times 6x. Outside, 6x times negative 5. Inside, 6x times negative 5. Last, negative times negative is positive. Like terms. Now, minus 30 does not cancel. If somebody loses 30 and loses 30, they lost 60. Okay, number 12, negative 4x cubed means negative 4x times itself times itself. A negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, so negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Positive 16 times that last negative 4 is negative 64. And there's 1, 2, 3, so x to the 3. Okay, division. A negative divided by a positive is a negative. When we divide, we subtract. The big number is 8 on top. 8 minus 3 is 5. And the bigger number was on top, so the x5 is on top. Okay, and remember my rule, when in doubt, write them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them divide out. There's 5 left on top. There's nothing left on bottom. Okay, 21 divided by 3 is 7. For the exponents, the bigger power is on bottom. 7 minus 5 is 2. The bigger power's on bottom, so the leftovers are at the bottom. If there's 5 on top, seven on bottom, all 5 of the tops divide out, and there's 2 left over in the bottom. Okay, these are both being divided by 2x to the third because that division line goes underneath both of them. Okay, so 6 divided by 2 is 3. There's x7. There's x3. The 3 on bottom divide out, so we're left with 3x to the fourth. For the second one, 14 divided by 2 is 7. There's 5. There's the 3 for the bottom. The 3 on bottom cancel, and there's 2 left. So that is 7x squared. And that's the end of our review.